Hi everyone, my name is Narelle and I'm a vocal coach and voice technique instructor based in Singapore. Today our tutorial will be How to Sing Burn by Riley. There are three important things that you need to take note of. The first one is the vocal range. Her lowest note went down all the way to a G3, which she attempted that in her chest voice, and the highest note goes all the way up to D5, where she attempted that in her head voice. So you want to make sure that you have that range of about 1 octave and 7 semitones. If this song is out of your range, it's not that you can't sing it, but all you need to do is to transpose the key, either bring it down lower or bring it up higher. Now, the second thing is vocal registrations. So when we start to break down songs, it's good to take note of which part of the song, at which lyrics do the singer transition from chest to belt or mix to head voice. So for this song, you need to have 3 vocal registers: chest voice, belt voice, and head voice. Now, the third thing is articulation. So when we articulate in a song, try not to speak the perfect English. This is not public speaking. This is singing. So you want to embrace more of singing vowels that are really nice and open. Something like ah, a, e, o, u, o, eh, ow. So when we break down the song, depending on the situation, we might change consonants, we might change vowels, and we will also try our best to connect lyrics together so that we can sing smoothly. So for verse 1, line 1, what Riley did was she used a very low, deep chest voice to sing. So if you want to sound like her, try to shape it really round and use a lot of depth. Here is an example. Help me see. So don't sing it too narrowly, like help me see. Keep it really round. Help me see. For verse 1, line 2 and 3, she used a lot of round open singing vowels. For example, she sang as ha. And also connecting of lyrics, my own, she sang as my own with a Y in front of own. For the lyric I'm, she sang as Another thing to take note of is her transition from chest voice to head voice. So for lyrics like thing, she used in her head voice. And guessing, she used a very deep, low chest voice. Here is a demonstration. Maybe I should be my own thing, 'cause I'm guessing. For verse 1, line 4 and 5, articulation tips. For pass, you sing as pass. Inside of you sing as dove. Leave, you sing as leave. In terms of the vocal registers, you have to blend between chest and head voice. So for the lyric me, you sing in your head voice, and leave, you also sing in your head voice. This is a demonstration. The time will pass, there'll be nothing left inside of me, so I must leave. Pre-chorus articulation tips. For the lyric can't, sing as can. You sing as chew. Such a, but I, bada. On my own, ma, own. So why do we sing own as own is because ah is a more open singing vowel, and it can help you make a smoother blend between your chest and your head voice. Here is a demonstration. Calling me back, but I'm so far away. Can hear what you say. Turning my back could be such a mistake, but I could be better on my own. Chorus Part 1 Articulation Tips. Cry, you sing as cra. Fire, fi. Stop, stop. Cause, ke. I'm, zam. Hot, hot. Desire, desire. Burning up, burning up. Alone, palone. I, ah. Need a, need a. For the vocal registers, you need to blend between your chest, head, and belt voice. What is a belt voice? It is a powerful chest voice. So for no shame and your face, use your head voice. And burning up, use your belt voice. Chorus Part 2 Articulation Tips. Watch, watch. Cause, ke. I'm, zam. Fire, fi. And I ain't, yin. Stopping, stopping. Cause, ke. I, za. Do it, do it. Night, night. Here is a demonstration. I will sing this very slowly so that you can catch all the modifications in the articulation and also to be aware of which part of the lyrics that you need to blend smoothly between the registers. For example, chest to head voice and head voice to belt voice. Don't cry when you see me on fire. Won't stop 'cause I'm hot with desire. No shame as I blow in your face. Burning up alone, I don't need a chaperone, no. Better watch me, baby, 'cause I'm on fire. And I ain't stopping 'cause I do it all night. No shame as I blow in your face. Burning up alone, I don't need a chaperone, no. Is this for the money or the passion? What's my intention? 'Cause I don't need permission on what to say. I'm dancing in my own lane, doing it my own way. When all of the ashes falling down, I know I will fly and won't come down. This exercise will help you develop a deep chest voice. The vowels that we'll be using for this exercise is ya, hey, hey, hey. And I'm going to use a 5-note descending scale, starting on E4. Ya, hey, 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 hey. Repeat that one more time. Ya, hey, 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 hey. This exercise will help you blend between your chest and head voice. I'll be using a pattern of 1-5-5-1 for this exercise. The vowels will be ya, hu, ya. And I'm going to start on C4, working up to a G4, followed by D4 up to a A4, and then E4 to B4. Ya, hu, ya. Now if you notice, I actually look straight out ahead and I'm keeping it at eye level. I'm not going to tilt my neck down. I'm not going to tilt up. So I keep a really nice, relaxed posture. Ya, hu, ya. Try another key. Ya, hu, ya. One more. Ya, hu, ya. I'm going to pick out one phrase from the chorus that illustrates this. And the phrase is, no shame as I blow in your face. So no shame, we'll sing it in our head voice. As I blow in, chest voice. Your face, head voice. Let's try it together with the music. Don't cry when you see me on fire. You won't stop 'cause I'm hot with desire. No shame as I blow in your face.